Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Amirul bin Muhammad Khairul from Bachelor of Computer Science, Multimedia Computing and under the supervision of Madam Siti Nur Amalina binti Johari. Today, I would like to present to you about my final year project, which is virtual reality simulation on basic home maintenance. This project is designed with the aim to guide about basic home appliances maintenance through virtual reality simulation. This simulation also will provide guidance step by step on how to maintain basic home appliances and will make the person who use it will feel how easier to maintain their home appliances by themselves. The problem statement for this project is people don't know how to do the basic home appliances repair. The objective of this project is to design a 3D modeling environment of basic home appliances maintenance, to develop a virtual reality simulation in basic home appliances maintenance, and to evaluate engaging of applying virtual reality in basic home appliances maintenance. So let's take a look at the simulation. So we go into the game over here. Okay, so this is the main menu page, which is the title over there, and there is three button, which is start, about, and also quit. So if we press on the about, there is about, and then if we go back to the main menu, and then we should start our simulation now.
Welcome to Basic Home Maintenance
Okay, so
Simulation.
this is the when you
Welcome to
user
Basic
first start the simulation in
Welcome to
the
Basic
house
Home Maintenance
or
Simulation.
environment of the house. So there is panel, instruction panel
There are four
to the
things you
user.
need to
There are
fix:
four
alert
things
sign
that you
inside and
need to
outside the
fix
house.
with alert sign inside and outside the house. And then
You
if
may follow the
we
arrow sign to know where
press
the broken
next,
issues.
and user can
When
follow
you
the
are done
arrow
fix, click on the
to know.
exit button
And then
beside the
when
main door.
done fix, click on the exit button
Good luck.
beside the main door. Okay, so this is the exit button over here. So if you want to fix the alert sign, just follow the arrow. Okay, so at the first alert sign, we can see that the problem is the burn out pendant floor lamp, and the solution to replace with new pendant floor, and the category. So this is the image of the problem, and then the first step is to take out the burn out fender floor by click on it. So this is the old tube light. Click on the old tube light, and then next to take the new pendant floor and put it in the housing. So the new tube light, click on it, and we are done fixing the tube light. So we go to the next alert sign, which is we go to inside the room first. So we follow the arrow sign over here, and then okay, already arrived, and then we can see here the problem, which is the broken fuse. The solution is to replace with new fuse, and the category is electrician. So the fuse problem picture. So the first step was to take out the old fuse by click on it. So we click on the old fuse, and then it'll go from the housing of the plug cover, and then the next step is to take the new fuse and put it in the fuse holder. Alright, and then next, okay, and then we are done fixing the broken fuse over here, and then we go follow the arrow, and then we can see here the alert sign before. Okay, the next alert sign is the clock scene, which is the solution is to put strain remover into the sink, and the category is plumber. Okay, so next, that is the problem. So tap on the strain remover powder bottle. Okay, and then click on it, and it will play the animation that will pour it into the sink, pour powder into the sink, and then tap on the sink to make it drain. Alright, and then after drain, next, oh, there is one more alert, which is uh, one more problem. Tap on the sink cabinet to see the detail. Okay, we can see the detail now, and then there is one more problem, which is on the sink drain pipe, and we need to clean by tap on it. Looks like the sink drain pipe is clogged also. So by click on it, it will clean the trash inside the sink drain pipe. Okay, so next we are done fixing the clogged sink. Okay, we just follow the arrow sign again, and then we go follow here until the outside of the house. Okay, so that is the arrow sign, and you can see the alert sign over here, which is the problem here is leaking PVC pipe, and the solution to replace it with new PVC pipe, and the category also plumber. So next, okay, there is one intention here to make sure the water source pipe is closed. Okay, the picture of the problem, and then next, the first step is to click on the hacksaw to cut the leaking pipe. So click on the hacksaw, we can see the leaking pipe over there, which is the hacksaw is trying to cut. Okay, and then after done with the first step, we go to the next step, which is step on the old PVC pipe to drop it. Okay, and then after drop it, we go to the next instruction, which is to tap on the glue to apply the glue. Okay, so that is the glue over there, and then the glue will apply on the surface of the pipe, of the new pipe. Okay, so next, tap on the new PVC pipe to replace the old leaking pipe. Okay, so tap on the new pipe to replace the old pipe. Okay, so done. Okay, so next, alright, we have done fix all of the four things that we need to fix inside and outside the house. So now we go back into the house, and we need to remember the quit button or the main menu button, the quit button that we need to go when we want to quit. Okay, so then we will go back to the main page. So as a conclusion, that I can conclude here is this VR simulation on basic home maintenance is useful to help people to gain knowledge about the basic home maintenance. So in this modern age of technology, this VR application can be an exposure to the old and young age of generation to know more about virtual reality technology. So that's all from me. Thank you.